What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, so they have 3 colors on sale today: red, green, and yellow. Let's see if there's any cool video games. Oh wow, Sea of Thieves. It's a newish game. That might be worth it for $8. I'm not sure. Assassin's Creed Origins, $8. It's a little much. Far Cry 5, Battlefield 1. I wish they had PlayStation games. Call of Duty World War II, no. This game used to be worth a lot, not anymore. What else do we got? Midnight Club, $5. It's missing the manual, so I wouldn't even bother. What else do we got in here? Tiger Woods. This might be the only one, and it might be overpriced, but we'll stick it in the cart. They also have a whole bunch of DVDs over here. Looks like box sets. Looks like the entire Perry Mason collection. Then I see some brand new sealed stuff, so we'll do a little bit of scanning and see if any of this is good.
So as you guys can see, my cart is completely jam-packed with records, video games, Blu-rays, DVDs, CDs, everything. All these records the thrift store had just brought out when I got here. It was amazing. Same thing with those DVDs that you saw earlier. So I just started scanning, and what I'm using is the Amazon Seller app to take pictures of the front of these records since they don't have barcodes on them. The Amazon Seller app has a great function built in where when you scan the front image of a DVD, video game, whatever it may be, if it doesn't have a barcode, it pulls up the listing online and you can see how much it sells for. I use it all the time, and that's how I'm finding these records much faster than typing it in, scrolling through an entire list of things. And you can see the cart is jam-packed. It's amazing. I'm going to go over a lot of the great finds towards the end of the video. If you guys want to see what some of this stuff sells for, I found some insane home runs, but I'm going to go check out the rest of the store, check out the board games, the toys, and all that good stuff. So let's head out of there now.
So as you guys can see, I was scanning for a long time. We got a whole bunch of video games that came out. I'll show you guys all of this stuff later, but there is just some solid score after score. That's a huge one right there. Keep an eye out. Lots of great movies. This is a pretty good one also, this Blu-ray. There's just crazy stuff. The records are all really darn good. So we are going to keep checking out more of the store. Let's do it. So this place has a lot of stuff today, and we're coming down the miscellaneous aisle, and right here I saw this cute, well, actually Ashley saw it, but she pointed out to me this cool ThriftSchool light, and it has a red light and a green light that you could switch between here. It's only $2.99. It looked cool, so I decided to look it up, and take a look at this. It sells multiple times a day, 23, 26, oh, that's a lot of 2 of them, 12 plus 10 shipping, 25 plus 8 shipping. Yeah, probably about $25. There's 23, 25. Some go cheaper than others because some people just list them really cheap for some reason. But yeah, 27, 25 plus shipping. So yeah, we'll just clean it up, and I think we could turn 3 into like 25. Pretty awesome. Do you guys remember when Dr. Seuss got canceled for a little bit? A bunch of books you couldn't buy or sell or do anything with. You couldn't find them anywhere, and they got really expensive. And I found one about a zoo, I think, that I sold for like $200 the day after it happened. And I just found this one here. It's only $4, and it sells online. You guys can see for still about $20 or so. Pretty crazy that these are still going for that much, and I guess you could sell them now. They're all over Amazon, so I'm grabbing it. Why not? Alright guys, I'm checking out all the toy baggies. There's a whole bunch of them. Hey, what's up? And I'm going through them all, and take a look at what I found right here. Cool throwback blast from the past, a Pokemon bouncy ball. Baby, I think Dill? What? No, his name wasn't Dill. Was his name Dill? I have no idea. What was the baby's name in Rugrats? But this bouncy ball, I looked it up on eBay, and there it is. It still sells 25, 15, 30. This whole bag's $3. There's a couple other things in it. I'm grabbing it. Trying to see what else they have over here. Digging around in the back. What's back here? Here's a bunch of My Little Ponies. Whole bunch of My Little Ponies for $7.99. Look how many there are. I feel like you could build a lot and get way more than $7.99 for this. But I don't know. I'm not a My Little Pony connoisseur. So I might end up just leaving that. What else is there over here? You never know what you'll find in the baggies. There's not SpongeBob, Spider-Man boxing gloves. Those are cool. What's over here up top? We got miscellaneous. There's a penguin. Is that a Playmobil penguin from Batman? How much is this bag? $2.99. It's a good deal. There's a couple Playmobil. Is that a Green Arrow or something? And I have no idea. It's a weird bag. Oh, a mini Simon. That's cool. Rocket Raccoon. I think that's his name. Oh, this is sweet. These are all Beyblades. For how much? $3.99 for all these Beyblades. I don't know if they're complete or anything. I don't know what year they're from, but some Beyblades go for really good money. Usually if they're new though, I don't know about these. They all feel like plastic. I think they make metal ones. Actually, that feels like metal. I have no idea. Am I making a mistake leaving this? You guys are gonna have to let me know because I'm leaving it. Joe Biden poops candy. It comes with candy treats. Wow. Made for kids. Just turned it on. It powers on nice. There's some residue on here I'll have to take off. It's $4.99 but 25% off. It seems to be working. Scrabble Express. Here it is, selling for $50 used. Brand new. 90. Crazy. $50 for this little toy. Pretty wild what some things go for. We'll throw it in the cart. Look at this thing. Is this like a Batman toy? It has a guy in the back. Yeah, it is Batman. What year is this from? Doesn't say. Sometimes these little figures, if they get lost, are worth decent money. Oh, it's from 2020. It's not that old. I'll leave it.
Selections and proceed to the checkout. Thank you for shopping at Red White Gift Store and have a great evening.
Kind of cool. Let's see. $1.99. It's so cheap. $1.99. Sells for $28. You'd make 18, so you make $16. I mean, that's pretty darn good for $2. I guess we'll throw it in the cart. Oh, I always have luck selling Simons. I think if they're new though, and this one appears to be used. Let's see. No batteries in it. They're asking $3. It sells used for $15. Yeah, I'd only make $4 for something this big. I don't want to mess with that. Right next to it, we have a sealed game, Apples to Apples, for $5. Kind of expensive. Let's see. Oh, okay. This barcode worked. It sells for $21.50. You make $12.17. It costs $5. I'll make $7 on it, and it'll sell within like 2 days. So we'll grab it. There we go. We got another brand new sealed thing. $5 on this. It looks like somebody already scanned it because this is all ripped over the barcode. Let's see if they left it for a good reason. No, I don't know why. Maybe they were restricted because I can sell it. They're asking $5. It sells for $15 after fees. It'll sell within a day, and I'll make $10 profit without any work really. So we'll grab it. I sell these things all the time from 4M. 4M's a pretty good brand. Let's see what this one's going for right now. They're asking $6, but it's 25% off. So what is that, like $4? I don't know. 2%? No. $4.50? I have no idea. But it's selling for, it looks like $18, $10 after fees, but Amazon's coming on $4 lower, so it's really only $6. I'd make $2. I'm leaving it. Alright, I found this cool Spider-Man die-cast set, but the price is $25. That made me kind of upset. You know, they're heavy, it's metal, it looks really cool. We'll scan it in on the Amazon seller app, and yeah, what a shame. On Amazon, it's going for $21.85, so it's actually $3-4 cheaper on Amazon. So, gotta leave it behind, but it's really cool. All right, these are great. These Think Fun Deluxe Edition Rush Hour games. I sell them all the time. This one's used, which is fine. I sell them used all the time. They're asking $3. I scanned it in, and take a look at this. Brand new, it's selling for $42. You'd make $30. Used, it's selling for $30.75. Sometimes it doesn't show you the fees, so we got to reload it. There we go, $20 profit, and they're asking, what was it, $3? That's a $17 profit. There's only like 10 pieces in here, maybe 11 pieces. Super easy to count, so it's worth it. Takes me seconds to list. There we go. I found a couple more sealed games here with Really Loud Librarians and a Play-Doh set. I haven't played with Play-Doh in a long time. What is Play-Doh worth? I don't know. I've never had to buy it. $10, I guess. It's not worth it. But this Really Loud Librarians game, a merciless word shouting board game. Looks kind of silly. And they're asking $6. I'm restricted on Amazon, so I'm restricted in the brand Exploding Kittens. I'll try to request it. Sometimes you can get through, but it probably won't let me. No. So, gotta leave it behind. It's okay. Slappy Salmon. We'll scan this in. You never know. It's a weird card game. Could be... Oh, I see Exploding Kittens back there. And it's not even on Amazon, so we'll leave it. So, I just found this Bible Deluxe on the shelf, and I scanned it in. It's $8, but I think it's 25% off maybe. And it's not on Amazon. I tried scanning it, tried taking a picture of it. Nothing coming up, which is kind of crazy for something like this. This is an older game from 1997, so we're gonna try eBay for it. So open up my eBay app. It also has a little camera scanner. Hit up the little barcode icon, and let's see what happens. All right, so let's condition new. $20 plus shipping, $27 free shipping, $10. Wow, this is not worth much at all. I bet you if this was on Amazon, it'd be like a $50 game. eBay, not worth it. All right, this is kind of cool. I've sold this game on eBay before because I am restricted on Amazon. I think I got $25 for it, and it's $4. So if it's still going for that, I'm gonna grab it. Let's scan it in and double check. And ooh, it's going for less now. $15. So this is super heavy. It costed me about $7 to ship. I probably paid $1 or $2 for it. So not gonna be worth it. We're leaving it. A random little Lego set. Little Lego sets can go for great money. This is brand new sealed. Just got to take off that sticker right there. $3.99. There it is, selling for $20.27. You'll make about $10 on it, and it no work at all. So we'll grab it. Whoops. There we go. We got a Fisher Price toy. $10. Seems kind of expensive, and the box is kind of wrecked. Yeah, it sells for $17. We'll leave it. Leapfrog. Some Leapfrog stuff sells really well, so we'll try this guy out. Oh, also, box is wrecked in the bottom. I don't love to see that. They're asking $10, and it's selling online for $39, so I would make $15, but with the box damage, honestly, you could probably get away with it. I'm not going to. I don't like to do that online, so I'm leaving it. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles blimp that blows up. This thing is crazy. It's from, 2021. They made it look older, so I thought this was from like the 90s or the 80s. Let's see what it's worth. I'm not even going to get it, but, oh, maybe I will. All right, it sells brand new for $79. There's no used sellers, and the box is completely torched on it. I don't even know if anything's in here. It feels really light. I mean, there's no way to tell. They taped the crap out of this box. I mean, it's super light. I highly doubt all these figures and stuff are in here, so we'll leave it. One thing I always like to find are Guess Who games. I don't know why, but they're just worth good money. Different versions are worth more than others. There's like a Marvel version, superhero version that sells really well. This one right here is $8. It's brand new. Take a look at that. It sells super, super fast. Sell for $28. I'll make $10 on it without even trying. Guess Who is one of my favorite games to sell. Super easy to count the pieces. This one's sealed, so you can't go wrong. We'll take it. Speaking of cool Guess Who's, just so happened to find another one right here. Star Wars edition. Really cool. It's a different style board. The box is a little beat up. It's $2.99 though. I don't know if it's complete, but I scanned it in, and selling used for $30. I make $19 minus the 3, so that's a $16 profit. It'll sell fairly quick, maybe a few weeks to a month, and it's not bad. The only issue is this box is in really rough shape. You could put a little piece of tape on it and it holds it together a little better. Do I want to grab it? I don't know. I might leave it for someone else just because of the box condition, but otherwise I would have grabbed it.
Attention shoppers, please keep your children with you at all times for their safety and for the safety of others.
Guys, all right guys, the cart is jam-packed. We're gonna head out of here. I'll do a bigger breakdown a little bit later. Crazy stuff. I picked up a little pair of headphones towards the end. I'll double up my money on that. Just went through a lot of these records. They're all great. Everything is in here is gonna make such insane amounts of money. Super stoked about this haul today, and maybe we'll go somewhere else, but for now, Gotta head out. This place is cash only, so I gotta go to the ATM because I did not bring this much cash with me. I did not expect this. So I spent over $400 at the thrift store. One of the biggest purchase days I've done in a long time. And I just wanted to pop up a few of the items here that are worth a pretty decent amount. There are some great Blu-rays, some great records, some great DVDs that I went through. And these are just a few of the prices for you guys. Keep an eye out at your thrift stores. I scan almost anything that is brand new sealed, whether it looks like it's worth money or not. I get surprised all the time with things that I thought were maybe a $5, $10 item and they end up being a 40, 50, 60 plus dollar item. It happens. Some of the things I found in here were $100 and up price value wise after I sell them, after fees, after what I paid for them. And so even though I spent over $400, I'm going to make that money back on just a few of the high ticket items that I found. And then everything else is gravy. That's what makes me happy. I love when I find awesome deals. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.